Most agencies are running their entire operation on 2015 technology. They call it a CRM, but let's be honest, it's just a glorified digital address book. While you're manually updating deal stages and chasing leads, a new breed of AI-native tools is quietly replacing the giants. The top 1% of agency owners aren't just adding AI plugins, they've switched to systems where AI is the engine, not an afterthought. We've audited dozens of B2B sales stacks and scaled multiple operations using these exact frameworks. We know exactly where legacy CRMs become the bottleneck that kills your growth. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your current setup will be completely obsolete by 2026. More importantly, I'm revealing the 3 AI-native alternatives you need to switch to right now to automate your lead gen, nurture, and closing. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Your CRM isn't actually helping you sell. It's just a very expensive digital filing cabinet. Think about your daily workflow. You spend more time updating the CRM than actually talking to leads. You've got CRM fatigue. Your team hates it. They forget to log calls. They miss follow-ups. And the worst part, you're likely paying for AI features that are just fancy wrappers. A chatbot that sounds like a robot. A summary tool that misses the actual point of the conversation. That's the legacy trap. Legacy CRMs were built for a world where data entry was the job. But in 2024, manual data entry is a waste of your talent. While you're manually dragging a lead from discovery to proposal, your competitor just closed that deal. Why? Because they aren't using a database with AI bolted on. They're using a system where AI is the engine. If your CRM requires a dedicated admin just to keep it from breaking, you're not scaling. You're just managing a mess. By 2026, the gap between database CRMs and AI-native CRMs won't just be a convenience. It'll be the difference between a thriving agency and a bankrupt one. Here is the hard truth. Most legacy CRMs are just glorified spreadsheets. They store data, but they don't actually do anything with it. You spend more time updating fields than you do closing deals. By 2026, data entry will be a dead concept. We are moving from the era of the database CRM to the era of the autonomous CRM. The difference: one is a filing cabinet. The other is a digital employee that works 24/7. If you want to scale without adding more headcount, these are the 3 tools you need to be looking at. First up, HubSpot. HubSpot used to be the friendly CRM. Now they're the AI powerhouse. They've shifted from a tool you use to a platform that works for you. Their new AI agents don't just suggest email templates. They analyze your entire customer journey to tell you exactly when to reach out and what to say. For the mid-market B2B manager, this is the gold standard. It eliminates the guessing game of sales. It turns your CRM into a predictive engine. If you have the budget and need a scalable ecosystem, HubSpot is the move. But if you're a lean team focused purely on the hunt, you need Pipedrive. Pipedrive is built for the closer. While other tools clutter your screen with 1,000 features, Pipedrive focuses on the pipeline. Their AI shift is all about sales assistant automation. It identifies bottlenecks in your funnel in real time. It tells you which deals are rotting and which ones are primed to close. It removes the mental load of managing a pipeline. You stop managing software and start managing relationships. Finally, for the scaling agency owners, go high level. This isn't just a CRM. It's a business operating system. GHL is the ultimate legacy killer because it replaces your CRM, your email marketing, your funnel builder, and your appointment scheduler in one tab. The real power here is the AI-driven nurture. You can build AI bots that handle the entire lead conversation, from the first DM to the booked calendar invite, without you touching a keyboard. For agencies, this is how you scale to 7 figures without hiring a massive sales team. It's pure leverage. So which one wins? HubSpot for the enterprise scale, Pipedrive for the focused closer, and Go High Level for the agency operator who wants a fully automated machine. Now, if you're ready to stop fighting your software and actually start scaling, I've linked the 3 tools we discussed below. Whether you need the enterprise power of HubSpot, the lean efficiency of Pipedrive, or the all-in-one agency engine of Go High Level, these are the ones winning in 2026. The results are clear. Agencies switching from legacy systems are seeing a 30% drop in manual data entry and a massive jump in lead response times. Because AI isn't just a feature anymore. It's the engine. Don't get left behind using a digital Rolodex from 2015 while your competitors automate their entire pipeline. Click the links in the description to start your trial. Get your systems automated today so you can get back to the high-level strategy.